Today, the U.S. Supreme Court decided on cases it would hear this session, but arguably the most important case is the one they declined. Cases of same-sex marriage bans will not be heard. Cronkite News reporter Justin McDuffie is live in our Washington bureau with the details. Justin?
Well, Megan, the Supreme Court has tackled gay rights issues before, including striking down the Defense of Marriage Act in 2013. But today, the court declined to take up 5 cases of marriage equality, but in doing so, let lower court rulings stand that overturned bans on same-sex marriage. This allows gay couples in Virginia, Indiana, Wisconsin, Oklahoma, and Utah to begin marrying. Experts say the court's decision also opens the door for 6 more states in the same judicial circuits to begin ceremonies soon. Paul Gordon with People for the American Way said that this decision sends a loud message to every court and every American.
If these decisions had been decided wrong by the lower courts, I think the Supreme Court would want to take this up and say, this is wrong.
In a prepared statement, the Family Research Council said that the Supreme Court's decision isn't the end, and the fight now puts the issue of marriage back before the U.S. Congress. We now go live to downtown Phoenix with Sydney Schuman. Sydney, how are Arizonans reacting to the Supreme Court's decision?
Thanks, Justin. I talked to a lot of organizations today that were very excited about the ruling and the potential this has to bring legalized same-sex marriage to Arizona, depending on what the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals rule is. The Supreme Court's decision did not directly affect Arizona today, but if the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals denies same-sex marriage bans in Idaho and Nevada, that ruling would also affect Alaska, Arizona, and Montana. We could potentially see legalized gay marriage in Arizona as soon as this week.
We're still sort of in a state of limbo right now in Arizona. Nothing has changed practically for same-sex couples, for people in same-sex relationships right now. It may soon, it may not. We're hoping that it will.
And a lot of times, courts wait for other courts to see what they're going to do. And today, the Supreme Court telegraphed a great message to other courts that marriage equality is here to stay, and it's in 30 different states today.
Not everyone is so thrilled. Byron Babion, senior counsel for the Alliance Defending Freedom, would not go on camera, but did give this statement. The court's decision not to take up this issue now means the marriage battle will continue. He added, the people should decide this issue, not the courts. But LGBTQ organizations are still hopeful.
This shows that there's, broad and growing support for the freedom to marry here in Arizona and throughout the country.
There is no way to know exactly when the Ninth Circuit will hand down its decision, but we'll let you know when the court hands down that ruling. Live in downtown Phoenix, Sydney Schuman, Cronkite News.